Everyone loves a traditional New England clam bake, but without the right team on your side, serving it to your guest at your event can quickly become an overwhelming challenge. Well, luckily for you, if you're in Massachusetts, hosting a clam bake just got a whole lot easier. You see, whether it is a fun-filled wedding with flair, a family get-together, a reunion, a graduation, an anniversary, or a special corporate retreat, it's now easier than ever for you to serve a hearty, old-fashioned clam bake that people will be talking about for years to come. Here's what our customers are saying. Everyone loved the food. Thanks again for making it so easy for us. Thanks again for your professionalism in making it so easy for us to enjoy our company. All of our guests loved it. My favorite part was not having to do a thing. Since 1984, B&M Catering Company has been providing exceptional service along with the highest quality meals to thousands of people from Cape Cod to Cape Ann. From casual backyard gatherings to an affair with hundreds of people, you are sure to make your clam bake an unparalleled success when you let us do the cooking along with all the heavy lifting. All my guests agreed that the food was amazing and the best food that they've eaten at a wedding. People just love the food so much. I wanted to let you know how pleased I was with how the clam bake went on Saturday. The food was excellent and plenty of it. So whether you're planning a corporate event, a formal occasion with linens and china, or a neighborhood block party, we'll make sure the meal is perfect and your guests are pleasantly surprised. Discover the easiest way to host a lobster bake that everyone will be talking about by giving us a call today. Here's our toll-free number, 800-722-2526. We'll be happy to answer all your questions and get you started on your way. Let us do all the work so you don't have to. B&M Catering Company, making it easy for you to have fun at your own event. Give us a call today.